If you're looking for any kind of educational opportunity, here in Charleston, Triton Tech's going to be your #1 spot. With this program that they have, free tuition, I mean, the opportunity to enhance yourself, it's so easy. I just don't know why you wouldn't do it.
It's so easy to qualify. Just fill out your FAFSA and select the free tuition program.
Everyone here will definitely help you through the whole process, making it less stressful.
I decided to take the free tuition program because it'd be easier on me as a college student and I could afford better groceries versus ramen every night.
The professors are very friendly and knowledgeable, and they make you feel like you can do anything.
All the resources, the computer labs, they're excellent. Everything that you get is top-notch.
Get work ready with free tuition.
It's allowing me to reach out for my dreams.
Free tuition has worked for me, it'll work for you.
What are you waiting for?
Spring semester starts January 13th. Enroll now.